Why
open.
did you tell on me?
No, you keep them. I'll eat them. You keep them.
You keep
I'll
them.
eat
You
them.
keep them for now. She'll eat them later.
I'm sweet mama.
Oh, too funny.
Daddy, can you close all my eggs up?
Mm-hmm. Why don't
Can
you
we
dump them
go
all out
here?
that way, and then I'll put the closed ones back in.
No.
No.
I'm getting a lot of these.
Getting all the dimes? Oh, you don't have any dimes yet, do you, Lexi?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you got one.
I have a lot of
Oh,
dimes.
you have two.
I have a lot of dimes.
How much are dimes worth?
10. I have 8 dimes.
How much are dimes worth, Ava?
10.
10 cents. How much are these worth? 25 cents.
25. Whoa, $1.
Oh, finally found a dollar.
Miss Candy, why do I keep on getting these? I want Hershey Kisses. I want Hershey Kiss.
Keep going. Good.
$4. Hershey Kiss. Hershey Kiss. Hershey Kiss. Money. I got money.
Whoa.
I got money. $1. $1. The bunny has money. I'm giving you all those. Mommy, this
Whoa,
is
what is that?
Ew, this is silly. The bunny
Ava.
has money. The bunny has money.
She got a 5 egg.